guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Today's video is going to be on how to stick to your skincare routine. A lot of you guys have asked me in the past, Jen, how do you remember to do all these things every day? How do you remember to take off your makeup at night? How do you remember to clean, to moisturize, put SPF on, and all the things that skincare surrounds? Skincare for me is like drinking water. It's habit forming. It's something I do every single day. I've been doing it for the last, I don't even know how long. Ever since Mama Chiu got me onto skincare, I've been doing it religiously every single day. If you guys want to see what my tips and tricks are to create a skincare routine that's easy, but also simple enough that you can do every single day that flows into your routine, just keep watching. Chiutips. If you're new to my channel, my name is Jen. I post new videos here weekly. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. Alright, let's get started and show you guys how to stick to your skincare routine. These are my tips and tricks on making it flow into your everyday life. Let's get started.
So when it comes to my morning routine, I get ready, put on my comfy pants, and go and see Henry. Play with him for a little bit and give him some hugs and kisses and cuddles, and then into my skincare routine. So here we are. Let's put on a headband and wet the face with some warm water. First, we're going to be cleansing the face, of course, and I'll be using the Aveeno Positively Radiant Maxglow Micellar Gel Cleanser. To make it easy to stick to your skincare routine, use a cleanser that does a bunch of things. This one removes makeup, cleanses your face, and hydrates all at the same time. That's why this one is one of my go-tos. I'm such a huge fan of this cleanser. I've been using it for years. It's formulated with moisture-rich soy and kiwi complex, and it really leaves the skin soft, dewy, and luminous. Once I'm done this, I'm just going to rinse off with some cool water and pat dry, of course. After cleansing, I'll be using the Clarins Fresh Scrub. I exfoliate every other day, and that might seem like a lot to some people, but it really depends on your skin type. My skin loves this, and it keeps it really nice and soft and smooth. For most people, I recommend 2 times a week, and that should be plenty enough. I gently exfoliate in circular motions all over the face, making sure I don't forget my lips, and being careful around the eye area. Exfoliating should definitely be a part of your weekly skincare routine. Once I'm done this, I'm going to rinse with some warm water and pat dry. The next step is using essence, and here I'll be using the AmorePacific Vintage Single Extract Essence. Just a couple drops in the hands, and I apply this all over the face. A lot of people say essence isn't mandatory, but I use essence almost on a daily basis. I find that it's a great way to give your skin a break if you don't want to use any heavy moisturizers or creams. Essence is the way to go. And here I'm just lightly patting it into the skin until it fully absorbs. This is also a great tip. Next up, serum. This is the Cerave Hydrating Serum with hyaluronic acid. Serum is something I use on a daily basis as well. I always find that serum is more powerful than a lot of just regular moisturizers, and it packs a lot of punch. This one especially gives 24 hours of hydration. It has vitamin B5 to soothe dry skin. It also helps protect the skin's barrier, providing instantly smoother and softer skin. To seal all that goodness in, I'm going to use the Laneige Water Bank Hydrogel. This is really good for combination and oily skin. So for you guys out there who may have acne prone skin or breakout often, this is a really nice cooling non-oily gel moisturizer that gives long lasting hydration. It's also extracted from kale, watercress, and beet to hydrate the skin, and is free of parabens and phthalates. If you're prone to blemishes and acne, it's always good to have a spot treatment at hand. This is the Kiehls Breakout Control Targeted Acne Spot Treatment, and I just dab this in the areas where I feel like a breakout might be happening. If I feel something erupting underneath the skin, I will use this as a preventative measure. When it comes to your morning routine, always end it with sunscreen. This is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel Sunscreen. It is such a light feel, which a lot of sunscreens don't normally have. It also quenches the skin and it makes it super hydrated. You can see there is no white film at all. It is just really nice to put on. It's smooth, it smells great, and it has an SPF of 30 for UVA and UVB sun protection. And don't forget the back of the hands. This is an area where a lot of people start to show signs of aging, and also the neck. So make sure you cover that area as well. So this is how I build a skincare routine that you can actually stick to. These are all things that I do and I find really help with getting clear, beautiful, glowing skin. I hope you guys liked it. If you haven't seen my latest video, check it out here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.